સમાચારમાં આગળ વધીએ તો ભાજપના રાષ્ટ્રીય અધ્યક્ષ જેપી નડ્ડા જાહેર સભાને સંબોધિત કરી હતી। એક બાજુ તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો કે યુડીએફ અને એલડીએફ શું કરી રહ્યા છે। બંને વિભાજનકારી રાજનીતિ કરે છે, બંને હિંસાની રાજનીતિને સમર્થન આપે છે। બીજી તરફ વડાપ્રધાન મોદી સરકારના નેતૃત્વમાં અમે આત્મનિર્ભર ભારત પર ભાર આપી રહ્યા છીએ અને આ માટે વિકાસની નીતિઓ પણ બનાવવામાં આવી રહી છે।
You have to select between the parties. On one hand, you find UDF and LDF. Both what they have done, both have propagated the politics of destruction. Both have propagated the politics of division. And both have supported the politics of violence and politics of blood. On the other hand, you find the leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, which is a leadership where we are trying to see to it that God's own country, Kerala, should develop and come forward. Where we believe that under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, India should become self-reliant, Atmanirbhar Bharat. And because of that, the policies undertaken by Prime Minister Modi is for the development and for infrastructure. If I talk about infrastructure, I would like to share with you that within 1 year, this year itself, for roads, for highways, for Gramin Sadak, and for airways and for railways, 10 lakh crore rupees are being spent for the infrastructure, 10 lakh crore rupees in 1 year. The same way, in the past 9 years, 60% of national highways are being constructed. 74 airports have been constructed in last 9 years. And 3,80,000 kilometers of rural roads have been built. 3,80,000 roads. You will be happy to share, I will be happy to share with you, 10 years back, India was considered to be a fragile economy. India was considered to be an economy which did not have any stability. Today, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, India, which was on the 11th largest economy, has taken a long leap, and now India is the 5th largest economy of the world, 5th largest economy. Here I would also like to share and request you that you elect C. Krishna Kumar and make Prime Minister Modi the Prime Minister for the 3rd time, and India will become the 3rd largest economy in the world that we have. You have